Have you ever seen a titan, a company that practically defined the history of tech, suddenly rise from the ashes to shake the very foundations of Silicon Valley? We're talking about a name that was relegated to the history books, a legend many thought was buried in a tech graveyard. Well, hold on to your seats, because the original godfather of mobile is back. And this time, it's not just a smartphone, it's a destroyer. The BlackBerry Bold 5G has arrived, and it's sending a massive wake-up call to Apple and Samsung. If you thought the game was over, think again. The storm is here. Are you ready? Design and display. Let's talk aesthetics. BlackBerry has officially sent the classic physical keypad to the museum. What you're looking at is a stunning 6.85-inch 4K micro OLED panel with a butter-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Even under the harshest, direct sunlight, this screen stays crisp and clear. But the real magic, flip it over, you get a royal matte gold finish paired with a brushed metal texture. This isn't another plastic and glass slab, this is a premium statement piece. It feels like jewelry in your hand, slim, curved, and built for those who want to flex a bit of sophistication. Camera segment. Photography enthusiasts, prepare to have your minds blown. Check out this horizontal triple camera setup. We're talking about a massive 200-megapixel ultra-vision lens with an f1.2 variable aperture. Whether it's high noon or pitch black, this sensor drinks in light like magic. Coupled with a 50-megapixel ultrawide and a 12-megapixel periscope lens, you can basically leave your DSLR at home. With built-in AI algorithms that perfect skin tones and color grading in real time, your footage will look cinema-ready straight out of the camera. It's a vlogger's dream come true. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Is this a phone or a supercomputer? With 16 GB of lightning-fast RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, lag isn't even in this phone's vocabulary. Run 50 apps, render heavy video, or play the most demanding 8K games, it doesn't break a sweat. Plus, the 5G connectivity is so rock solid and fast, you could live stream 8K video from the middle of nowhere without a single frame drop. It's designed to boost your productivity by 10x. Battery life. A beast like this needs serious fuel. BlackBerry packed in a 6500 mAh graphene battery. What does that mean for you? Cooler temperatures, longer lifespan, and zero safety risks. And with the 100-watt hypercharger, you can go from 0 to 100% in the time it takes to finish a cup of coffee. 3 days of battery life. You might actually forget where you put your charger. The verdict and launch date. So, the big question, is this beast worth the $900 price tag? Considering the premium build and the futuristic tech, it's an absolute steal. Mark your calendars, because this havoc hits the market in the last week of December 2026. Alright, Tech Tigers, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to ditch your iPhone or Samsung to be part of the bold comeback? Do you think BlackBerry has what it takes to reclaim the throne? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's see who's Team BlackBerry and who's still sticking with the status quo.